Hey guys, my Sally Beauty box is here. So if you saw my Facebook post just a couple of days ago, I found a coupon when I was trying to order fingernail polish through Sally Beauty online, and they had a coupon code for a free hair dryer. So my stuff just arrived a few minutes ago. I'm going to unbox it with you and show you my free hair dryer. How cool is that? I don't know, man, it looks pretty cool. For free, 1875 watts, and it's an Ion Pro Compact. Sounds really fancy. Compact design, featuring full-size power, 2 speeds and 3 heat settings with a cool shot. Everybody's got to have a cool shot, right? There it is. Gotta love free stuff, right guys? It's got an adapter attachment. Pretty standard. Oh, it's light. Wow. Nice and lightweight. It's a little bit large, but that's pretty stinking fancy. I love the matte black. Look at that, guys. Totally free. Go online. I don't know if this coupon code is still good, but I will put it back in the comments and give it a shot. It was a completely free hairdryer. Sweet. And if you're interested, I do my own nails. I don't know if you've ever noticed them in any of my videos. These are my nails. I do them with a gel polish. And my long-time favorite for many years is finger paints. And this is the cleansing liquid that I use after I'm done. So I got a refill of that. And then I will show you the gel nail polish that I adore. And I stocked up because they're actually, oh, it seems like they're always out of stock. So I got pink glaze is my favorite. I'm actually wearing some glitter on top of that right now, which again, I don't know if you can see that very well, but this is what I've got going on right now. But the pink glaze I have used for, I don't know, maybe 10 years. So I got 3 bottles of that because even when I go into the store, they usually have like 1 on the shelf. So this will probably last me at least a year. And oh, I got 4. And I picked up something new. Oh, this is just the bonder. This is what you use before you put the nail polish on. So if you're interested, let me know. I'll do a tutorial on how I do my nails. But yeah, so this is the bonder, 4 bottles of polish, and the cleanse for after I am all done. So I was just stocking up on supplies and got this fabulous free hairdryer. Pretty cool, guys. Just wanted to share with you that this coupon codes really work. I think that was a fabulous find. Hope you enjoyed. Bye, guys.